What's the kilometers or miles on this one? I mean, I don't even remember.
I think it's rolled over. Yeah. 10,400. It's probably rolled over.
Oh, you think it is?
Yeah. I don't know for sure.
Boy.
This tent, you're fine over there.
You think it's ever had seat covers?
I don't think it has.
And this thing hasn't got 110 on it. There's no way.
Somebody told me they thought it did based on the wear on the clutch and the brake pedal pads, and I actually put new ones on it. I put new ones on to make it look new. Yep, there is a there's a tiny bit on that.
That's 432.
But yeah, I honestly have no way of knowing. Oh, when you pull that up, I don't think it does. I think that's
Talk to its original owner. You're going to find out these things.
yeah. I need to get
It doesn't. I don't. Yes.
right, and whoever did it loved orange silicone. But there, you know,
okay.
there's no rust anywhere. I mean, nothing significant. Little stuff like that.
You got to get.
And you know, because it has the original wheels, maybe those would have been working good for us without magnesium. Would have cracked them with this shit.
10 minutes.
I'm here with Justin Felker with a Fairlady Z432 from Japan. One of 400, is it?
About 420.
420, but you know, anywhere from 6 to 10 of them are in the United States, so it's fairly rare here.
That's about what we think.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
we got this car about 5 years ago from auction. It was a one-owner car. It came over from Japan. I think it went to North Carolina, and then we bought it from the owner. So I say one owner. That guy might have had it for a couple years, and yeah, we've had it for about 5 years now.
Okay. And what can you tell us a little bit about the history of these cars in general?
So it's the rarest version of the Z car, and it's a regular Z chassis 240Z externally, but the drivetrain is different. It has a 2-liter engine instead of the 2.4. It has a 5-speed transmission and a limited slip rear end. Externally, it does have a spoiler that I don't think was on the regular 240s.
No, I believe that's very specific to the 432.
Yeah, I think it has a different grille, and magnesium wheels are.
Yeah,
There's a big difference.
those are awesome.
Just the color of them sets it off.
So, do you know much about its life in Japan?
I actually don't know anything about its life in Japan.
Okay.
I know I think it was driven. I wouldn't call it a daily driver, but I know it still has the original owner's parking decal here. Still has his license plates on it.
That's
so
cool.
I know it was used. I just don't know to what extent.
Yeah, certainly. Well, that's cool. And can you tell us a little bit about your business, Art Motion?
Yeah, so I buy and sell classic and collector cars in St. Augustine, Florida. It's a business we've been doing for a couple years now. If anybody wants to come by and check out our collection, it's open to the public.
Cool.
It's kind of a museum atmosphere, but just about everything's for sale.
That's awesome. That's really cool. Well, this is awesome. So you brought this to ZCON 2020. There's another orange 432 that's not at the show, but I have videos that I'll show here. Very interesting car. Well, cool. Thank you, Justin, for bringing this. I really appreciate
Yeah,
it.
no
Thank
problem.
you for talking with us
I
about
enjoy
it.
showing it to people and enjoy the joy that it brings to other people at the shows.
Yeah, absolutely. That's very good. Yeah, I want to go from the back of here. Okay.